Hello guys, welcome to CADmake. In today's tutorial we are going to design a flange nut in Solidworks. We'll some of the essential features and commands to bring our design to 3D modeling life. We'll also customize appearance to give our model a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. Go to the background scene and click Plain White. Go to the Option setting. Click Documents Property. Click Image Quality. Increase the resolution like this. Click OK. Now go to the Sketch. Click on Sketch and choose the top plane. Take the Polygon command and draw a 6 sides polygon here in origin point like this. Click Exit. Select this edge and make it horizontal. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from this side to this one as 20 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Select here midplane. Give the extrusion value as 9 mm. Click OK. Go to the Visual Styles and disable the Real View graphic mode. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a circle here in the origin like this. Click OK. Select this circle, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this edge. Make them tangent. Click OK. Click Isometric to make it normal. Select the circle and go to the Features. Click on Extruded Cut command. Choose here Blind. Select Flip side to cut. Give the extruded cut angle as 45 degrees. Click OK. It looks perfect now. Here click on Font Plane. Click Sketch. Take the Line command and draw a line from the origin to this edge. Again draw a 13 mm horizontal line and then draw 1 mm vertical line like this. Click Exit. Now take the 3-point arc command and draw it from this point to this one. Give the radius of this arc as 30 mm. Press Enter. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select this sketch. Click here and select this line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Make it normal. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a 10.38 mm diameter circle here in the origin. Click OK. Now go to the Features. Take the Extruded Cut command. Select here Through All. Click OK. Here we see we have created a perfect throughout hole. Go to the Visual Styles and enable the Real View graphic mode. Select this hole. Click Chamfer. Give the chamfer value as 0.5 mm. At the angle 45 degrees. Click OK. To cut threads in this hole, go to the Hole Wizard and click Thread, or go to the Insert menu. Click Features and then click Thread. Click OK. Now click here and select this edge as a thread starting location. Click here and select this edge as a thread end location. Scroll down. Select here Metric Tap. Select the size of thread M12 with 1.5 mm pitch. Select here Cut Thread and Right-hand Thread options. Scroll up. Here we see some of the threads are not throughout the hole, so we will add more threads on both sides. Click Offset. Give the value as 5 mm. Click Reverse. Scroll down. Click Offset. Give the value as 5 mm. Here we see threads are throughout on both sides. Click OK. Make it normal. It looks amazing now. Rotate. Go to the appearance. Click metal. Click steel. Scroll down. Click the burnished steel. Make it normal. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.